Guys, welcome back to another tutorial on this channel on how you can earn free cryptocurrency directly to your Trust Wallet account without any investment. So guys, if you like what we'll be doing on this channel, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be the first to be notified on it. So guys, all you need to do, as you can see over here, the link to this site, I'm going to be dropping it in the description box down below. Now when you click on the link in the description box below, all you need to do is to input your address in this section. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you on how to earn LITECOIN. Now we're going to be going to our Trust Wallet account now to copy our LITECOIN address. So guys, all you need to do when you are on your Trust Wallet, as you can see, this is the send and receive. All you need to do is to tap on the receive, which is over here. And when you click on receive, you're going to be copying your address. As you can see over here, all you need to do is to tap on the copy, which is over here. And when you copy it, your wallet is going to be copied successfully. Now heading back to the site, all you need to do is to come over here and input the wallet address in which you just copied. And when you paste it, you'll come over here and tap on go. Now when you click on go, guys, you're going to be directed to your dashboard. And as you can see over here, this is my dashboard, and this is the amount of LITECOIN I've been able to mine just from few hours ago. So guys, this is how you can earn free LITECOIN on this site. So guys, to also increase your earnings and mining on this site, all you need to do is to go to the referral section, which is over here. Now when you tap on referral, you're going to be copying your referral link and share. When you copy your referral link, you share it to your friends and loved ones. As you can see over here, share your referral link to your friends and loved ones so they too can also earn. Now when you copy your referral link, all you need to do is to just share it, and you too can also get referrals to increase your mining power, and you too can also earn a lot from this site. So guys, on my next video, I'm going to be showing you a withdrawal proof on how I withdrew on this platform. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Please don't forget to also like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be the first to be notified on it.